Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we explored several semantic and formatting related HTML tags. Now in this video, we are going to learn how to organize content properly using HTML lists. So HTML provides different types of lists such as ordered lists, unordered lists, and description list. So let's see one by one in detail. Let's start working with unordered list. So unordered list basically is a list which is going to by default come with circular disks. So let me take UL. UL over here stands for unordered list, and then each and every time you're going to pass the items inside something called li tag. Li stands for list item. Let me take few list of fruits. I'll go with apples, mangoes, bananas, oranges, etc. Let's go to the application and see the result. Okay, there you go. This is how an unordered list is going to look like. Again, important key points to remember here. UL basically means unordered list, and this will represent the data in bullet points, you can say, and li stands for list item. All right, next let us then discuss about something called ordered list. So for creating an ordered list, we are going to take OL instead of UL. So OL stands for ordered list. Even in this as well, we are going to use same list items. So I'll try to pass mangoes, I'll try to pass oranges, I'll try to pass bananas, I'll try to pass kiwi. You can keep on adding how many items you want, that many. Let's come down over here, and there you go. You can see this is how a ordered list is going to look like. Now please understand over here that OL is ordered list, and it appears in numbered. It's a numbered list, and it's going to come in a sequence or an order manner, and it matters. Sequence or order definitely matters over here in ordered list. So we can even create ordered list by, let's say, I'll just try to take li. I'll pass in HTML, I'll pass CSS, I'll pass JavaScript. So I can use an attribute called type over here, and you can see you can just try to use any of the types. If I just try to go with capital A, let me save it. You see it's going to come by default in this format. Now however, once we jump into CSS, we can change this approach. Okay, we do have several other options that we can change it into. Several tabs are available. Now likewise, we even do have one, which is the default behavior. All right, you can even take with lower a. Let me save it, which is going to come in lower alphabetical order, lowercase. Okay, then you even do have small I, which should represent the data in lower Roman data. Okay, and capital I would represent the data in upper Roman format. Okay, there you go. So hope that's understandable now. Now if I let's say I'm going to pass this attribute called start. So when I try to pass this attribute start, and I'm going to pass a value 5 inside it, what this thing is going to do is it basically numbering starts from 5. That is what is going to happen now. If I just try to come down, there you go. Okay, so that is how you can just try to use a start attribute. Next, let's then talk about something called description list. So description list basically comes in a nested format. Now I hope you have already understood that almost all the ordered list and unordered list, both of these things are nested, okay? Nested elements are nothing but elements inside elements. Inside OL, we are taking LIs. Okay, these are nested elements. Same way, description list also are nested elements. So first of all, you're going to take DL, which stands for description list. Then you're going to have two things, DT and DD. So here in DT, I'm going to pass HTML, and in DD, I'm going to pass hypertext markup language. Okay, so here there's three things that you need to understand. DL is description list. DT is nothing but a term or title, and DD is the description. Okay, next. Before we end this, there is another important thing, which is nested lists. This thing can be really very helpful for navigation aspect. So I'll try to take UL and an LI, and let's say I'm going to take front end over here. Now I'm going to break this LI, and inside this thing I'm going to take another UL. And now let me take LI. So HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Let me save it. Okay, by the way, this is description list. Okay, and this is a nested list. Okay, you can see the difference that this is an open circular disk right now. You can proceed even more further. Let me just try to break CSS. I'll try to take UL, and I'll try to take another LI over here where I'll say CSS 1. Currently third version of CSS is going on, so I'll go with 2 and 3. Let me save it. This time it's going to give squares. Now squares is the final, okay? No matter how much you keep on nesting, that one would be the final type change that you can actually see, okay? No matter how much you nest. Now same way you can even nest an ordered list as well. Like let me just try to take UL, LI. Instead of UL and LI, I'm going to take OL LI this time. And here let me take backend. I'll break this thing, and again OL LI. So this is nested ordered list. So let me take Python, PHP, Java, etc. Let me save it. So you can see no matter how much you try to nest ordered list, it's by default going to come in ordered format, the number format. Okay. So list, excuse me. So list inside another list is going to be called as a nested list, and at the same time the structure would be hierarchical. So please keep that thing in mind. Next, in a real world usage, lists are heavily used in real website for navigation, product features, instructions, documentation, sidebars, and FAQs. Okay. So in this video we have learned how to create ordered list, unordered list, and description list, and even nested list in HTML. In the next video we will try to continue learning more useful HTML elements. Okay, thank you so much. We'll catch up in the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.